Yo, what is up, people? And today I'm bringing you a very simple, straight to the point, straight tutorial. And this tutorial is how to unlock your Xbox Live Arcade trial games to make them full games. This also applied to the indie games to make them full games, so you can continue to play and do all the stuff that you normally would for the Xenia emulator. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, it's actually launching now. Recently I've been having issues with Xenia. It's graphical issues, it's person and stuff. So when I launched Xenia, and this is Dungeons and Dragons Dagger Deal, when I launched this game, okay, this is an arcade game, and you will see in the bottom left, yes, unlock full game, or there'll be an option to unlock full game. You don't want to go press X because you need to connect to Xbox Live. You don't want to go here because you need to connect to Xbox Live. What you want to do is edit your configuration file on the Xenia emulator. Now you want to exit this, make sure you're exiting or it will not work. Now as of today, the default location for those files, the configuration file, is in your documents and Xenia and Xenia.config toml file. This is a not going to get involved with what toml file is. You're here, you don't know what that is, you don't need to know. All you need to know and want to know is how to fix it. And this file, you will open it in Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Code Studio, blah blah blah, any text editor. I'm using Visual Code Studio because I'm a developer and I've always liked the environment. So when you first open it, you're going to look at just like, what the fuck is this shit? Now, just ignore half this shit. What you want to do is scroll down until you find license_mask 0. This here. You can control F this and equals 0. Now that's the set license from activated content. 0 equals no license enabled. 1 first license enabled, generally the full version license and Xbox Live Arcade or trials titles. You get this 1, 0, sorry, and you change it to a 1 and you save it. Now you want to close the file and you go back to your Xenia and relaunch the game. And now you will have the full game. And I will prove it to you. I'm making this tutorial because I've looked at people making tutorials for stuff and it takes 10, 15, 20 minutes to do something as simple as this. Get a grip, mate. You don't need to take that long. If you take that long, you shouldn't be doing it, or you're a beginner. And then if you're a beginner, just figure it out yourself. No, Google it and figure it out. Do find tutorials, but don't try to tell people how to do it. As you see now, Dungeons and Dragons Dagger Deal is now the full version. It is that simple now. I'm going to go play this game after I do a few more edits. So thank you for watching. Peace out and good luck.